Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Paybis app on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's a very easy method. All you gotta do is simply go ahead, open up your App Store or Play Store on your phone, and right afterwards go to the search bar and type in Paybis and then search it up. Right away you will find the second option given right over here. You can see this is how the option gonna look like, the get option on top. Simply tap on this get option. Now you will require to double click and scan your face ID and it will start processing to be downloaded. Just wait till this blue circle completes, and that is how your Paybis crypto Bitcoin wallet will be installed and downloaded to your mobile phone. Once it's done, you will simply find it right over here. You can see it's done now. It's showing open, and you will find it right there in your home screen of your mobile phone. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.